Hi, this is Alex from CVTE. Today we are so pleased to introduce our new mass production modules to you. This one, there's an optional as a module, camera and a microphone module. And also this operating system is Android 16, and also for the NP, it also has an 8 cores NPU. So it's compatible for most of the AI compatibility. And then we can move on. The speaker here is a 2.1 audio channel, so it will the sound is so clear that the students can hear, and then we can notice this signal here compared to the traditional infrared solution. Today we are using the more efficient backlight film. So compared to the traditional solution, it will be the less around the 28% the power consumption saving. So that will be definitely to meet for the environment political policy in the future. So that's today we brought the new thing. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.